Alkali metal forms salts with all oxo acids. What are oxo acids if you take? The salts where if you take in H2SO4, HNO3, H2CO3, if I am replacing the hydrogen in this particular one, if I am replacing hydrogens in this particular one and replacing the hydrogens with alkali metals, resulting in the formation of M2SO4 or MnO3 or M2CO3, these are called as salts of oxo acids. Salts of oxo acids. These are oxo acids replacing hydrogen, so removing hydrogen and adding the alkali metals in place of hydrogens results in the formation of salts of oxo acids. What is the common points if you see in all these salts of oxo acids is thermal stability. The thermal stability of oxo acids, thermal stability increases from top to bottom. Top to bottom, thermal stability increases because lattice energy increases. Where if you are taking the solubility of these particular oxo acids, solubility increases from top to bottom. Solubility increases from top to bottom. This is because of increase in the ionic character. Because the ionic character increases from top to bottom, solubility increases from top to bottom. One of the interesting points. Apart from this, if you see, the salts are generally soluble in water, have high thermal stability. The stability of carbonates and bicarbonates increases down the group. Carbonates and bicarbonates increase down the group. Lithium carbonate is unstable towards heat and decompose readily to give Li2O and CO2. This is very interesting point to note here. What is interesting is if you are taking lithium carbonate, this is the only carbonate who will decompose to give Li2CO3 originally. This will decompose to give Li2O plus CO2. This is going to be the product. Carbon dioxide will be eliminated in the process. When rest of the carbonates, if you take M2CO3, where M stands for sodium, potassium, rubidium or cesium, they does not decompose, does not decompose readily, does not decompose readily. Why they does not decompose? Because the decomposition temperature is greater than 1000 Kelvin. The decomposition temperature for all other metal carbonates are greater than 1000 Kelvin. That does not decompose readily, rather melts on heating. Same thing if you see the property of nitrates. If I take lithium nitrate, it is unstable on heating, gives you Li2O plus NO2 plus O2. It gives you oxygen, Li2O, 2NO2 and half O2. Whereas all other metal nitrates, if I am taking from sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, all other metal nitrates if you take on heating gives you corresponding metal nitrites and oxygen gas. This clearly indicates there is a difference in the behavior of lithium with oxo salts in comparison to the other metals as oxo salts. And lastly, if you see, the only bicarbonate which is known to be in the liquid state is lithium bicarbonate, where all other bicarbonates are existing in solid state. Lithium bicarbonate exists in liquid state. These are some of the exceptions in S block elements.